To equip artifacts in Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl, first we'll need to open our inventory. Then you need to find the artifact that you want to equip. In this case, I have the gravity artifact right there. Just click on it, hold it, and then drag it to this space. You may have more or less slots than I do. That depends on the suit that you're wearing. And now when you let go, that artifact will be equipped. And the thing that we should mention is that each artifact may punish you as well as give you some bonuses. In this case, this artifact increases my weight, but also, increases my weight capacity, that's what I meant. But also it applies the radiation. So as you can see, my radiation meter starts going up when I wear that artifact, and I need to use something else to fight the radiation at the same time of wearing it.